Tom here, FlipAnythingUSA. So I'm over with Juan. Juan does beautiful granite countertops and anything granite. He's got a beautiful shop. He's been doing my work for a long time now. He's got a new shop that I'm pretty excited about. He's got some really cool stuff. So we've been walking through. Want to give us a little tour, Juan? So all this is granite countertops. He's got some stock material, then he's got custom materials, and he's got some scraps. Of course, I'm trying to benefit from.
Levi.
What's the name again?
Levi.
Levi. This is Levi's partner. And his other assistant over here too. So yeah, they got a great looking shop and a beautiful saw. I'm going to show you in a minute. And thanks. And so anyhow, I'm trying to pick through the scraps to save a little money, which is normal for me. But look at all this stuff. He's just got all this stuff, just beautiful granite, and he's got some great equipment. You can see his forklift there, and he's got a clamp on the end of it for picking up these slabs. These things weigh thousands of pounds, some of them, but they're just very, very heavy. And so we've been looking at different granite materials. I got that white kitchen. I'm not convinced I was going to do the kitchen because I was trying to save some money, but if we do it, we're probably going to do it out of this piece right here. Then in some of the other parts of the that house, we're using kind of some beige stuff, some small stuff. I used a lot of this type of material, about that color. If you can see that right there, we're going to use that in some of the bathrooms. So it's also cool too if you got a good organized shop like Juan's. It's great because he can put the sinks in. So I tell him I want stainless steel sinks. He puts a line of sinks in there. They're already sunk. So when he sets the countertop, backsplash is on and the stainless steel sink is sitting there. Real easy for me to come in and plumb. So you want to show us your shop, Juan? So in here, he's got an awesome CNC saw here, which, you know, I'm a big equipment guy, I have a machine shop too. But anyhow, this thing's beautiful. How big a cross cut can you do? What's the biggest number?
10,000.
Oh, 10,000. The length though? We're calling it a cross cut.
Right.
12 feet?
Yeah, 12 feet. No, 20 feet.
20 feet. Wow. So he can do a 20-foot cross cut on this thing. That's how wide a span. Plus it looks like this way you got some huge slabs. Yeah. So you can see, you can come in here, you can cut out the patterns. And how do you cut out your sinkholes? Yeah. Over here? You got a router or what do you do? So back in here? I see. And so you do the polishing back here?
Yeah.
Yep, it's actually a pretty nice cool day here today. So imagine it gets hot in here though in the summer. Anyways, yeah, so I just want to give you guys a look inside of a granite counter shop, one that does it right especially. And anyhow, just thought I'd give you a look. And always, if you can deal with the scraps, you'll save a lot of money too. If you go in and just pick out some scraps, because generally you got to buy an entire slab, and then you got to optimize that slab to take care of the backsplash and the end caps, and you know, you want to try to make everything, get as much as you can out of one slab. So anyhow, that's it. FlipAnything. Talk to you later. Thanks, Juan. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I enjoy sharing it with you. So be sure to get the app. If you don't have it already, you can get it free on Android or pay $20 to get it on iOS. Do the best money you ever spent. It'll take you further along. You'll be able to share and catalog your properties, and it'll just make you a better, more organized investor. Thanks for watching.